Alright, so the customer on this cylinder brought it in and said it just kept spinning. He didn't know there was a ring in here. Keep a ring. So let's hope he didn't snap it. That's gonna make it so much more fun to get out. I mean, surely he got it to where it's turning because his top gland's already gaped. Nope. Okay. I don't understand why they put aluminum top glands with steel barrels. Maybe if we can get it. Don't miss. Oh my gosh. So it's moving. Not much though. We'll just go back and forth. No, that ain't gonna do it.
Get your
Grinder and cut it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cut a little bit more.
I was just about to get there. So now I'm gonna cut this little opening and make it a little wider so I can get to that wire. So I got the wire up, I got it out, and I got it to where I've been soaking it in mouse milk, but still not gonna turn easy. I'll probably just let it soak overnight and start back on it in the morning. I don't want to tear this top gland up anymore. I'm gonna have to add my sleep to the time clock. I was dreaming about this cylinder last night. Wish it worked that way. Top gland's just gonna be torn up. I'm just gonna have to either clean it up or make him a new one. That's all you can do.
What's happening, Jake?
How's it going, Chris?
Doing pretty good, so.
Doing good. So I got it moving using the air hammer, but it's not really tearing up the gland. So it's breaking up. There we go. Maybe. Got the wire out. And depending how rusted it is, it should just pop out. Oh, pretty rusted. 1.5 inches. See if the good old Mac Daddy can get it. What's going on? There it goes. Had a little technical difficulty. Little trick. If you don't want to get racked from the piston popping off, put the nut at the end of the threads. You only make that mistake once. And we'll get this bad boy resealed. Hit it with the pick flip. Oh, I lost it. There we go. Get that wiper out first. And the U-cup. O-ring and backup. And the piston seal. It's still got a little lip on it, but it looks pretty worn. These seal installment tools, freaking game changers. I still remember when I first started, before we got these things, putting them all in by hand, just destroying your thumbs, especially on these thicker ones. It's good. Get that wiper in. There's the piston. And we're ready to go back together with it, but we still got to clean the barrel. Yummy. There's also a little O-ring right here that sits under the piston if you want to change. Oops. They're Loctite. Remember, be friendly. ... not a lot. Oi. Line up the keeper hole. Got wire back in there. Sure it ain't leaking. Bueno. Man, that was a pain for one of these, but shoot. Like and follow for more cylinder rebuilds or whatever y'all want to see, I guess. New at this, YouTube. Bueno.